Welcome back to Rough Restos. I'm Jordan, and this is my 5th mistake. So, for the ones of you who have been following the channel for a while, know that I've bought plenty of Range Rovers in the past. Every single one of them is on the channel, and this is no exception. This one's, yeah, it's a Range Rover. What can I say? So, I wasn't planning on buying a Range Rover. I had absolutely no intention of buying a 5th one, but I was browsing Facebook the other day, and well, let's say this come up local, very cheap. Now, by very cheap, I mean probably, from what I could work out on Facebook and eBay, the cheapest 4.4 TDV8 for sale that was on the road and in one piece. So, I might well now have one of the cheapest 4.4 TDV8 L322s. Now, what does that mean? That probably means it's going to be an absolute dog. So, I went down there, I took it on a sort of 30+ minute test drive, all seemed well, plugged in my gap IRD diagnostics, come back with a fault code to do the heated mirrors, having issues, and not much else really. All seemed pretty well, so I agreed to buy it and picked up Monday evening. All good. I haven't actually seen the bodywork yet because it's just been salty and horrible, but I'm led to believe it's quite tidy, and from what I can see it's fairly tidy. So yeah, I've now got another Range Rover. Is this a good thing? Probably not. There's many reasons why I bought this. Biggest one, 4.4 TDV8. Now, I love my 3.6 TDV8. It's remapped and that thing is great. That thing's superb. But whenever anyone compares the 3.6 to the 4.4, they say there's no comparison, the 4.4 is just another leak. So I had to try one, didn't I? And the main thing of the 4.4 is it's coupled with the ZF HP, or the ZF8 HP gearbox. So you've got the 8-speed gearbox in this, which is just silky smooth, better fuel economy, just so many reasons why this thing's better. And obviously late model, what we've got is a much nicer spec overall. By that I mean much nicer. So we've got the digital dashboard, we've got the better entertainment system with a DAB, the dual view media system. This thing is just, it's not got heated and cooled seats like my other one has, which is good because when they go wrong they're really expensive to fix, whereas these are a lot more reliable. Overall inside, it's actually very tidy, from what you can see. I think that's up for, wouldn't it? Yeah. Overall, so it's very tidy. Does need a bit of work. There's obviously bits of wear and tear. These mats are rubbish. Need to swap them out for something better. But overall, she's actually pretty damn good. Now, obviously, being better spec, we've got the command shift fluffy paddles on the dashboard here. Centre console here has all been revamped for this facelift. So when you turn the ignition on, the gear lever lifts out the dashboard there. We can turn it on a minute. Very smooth, much more modern, just in general really nice, just a bit more updated. You know, the L322 dashboards are all a bit outdated. What else we got? Oh, try this one-handed a minute. And there we have it, nice and messy. The 4.4 litre TDV8 power plant. Nice, quiet, smooth. Needs a damn good clean. All been serviced up. Some bits going back on here, not sure what that is. Oh, terminal cover. And whatever that is. Interesting. But, ooh, that's not a good sign. Well, I best check that out, but I'm pretty sure cables going into the top of the struts, that means dynamic suspension. So expensive to fix, but it adjusts the firmness based on the settings you've got on the computer, so like sport mode makes it firmer. So that's the engine mechanicals. Seems really mechanically solid. Let's pop her off a minute. Yep, much flashier inside. Got rear entertainment again. But this is aftermarket entertainment, so I haven't worked out how it works yet. A CV boot. I'm unsure what this is about so far. Leather's in very good condition. Someone's modified these puddle lights, so I need to change that because I don't like that at all. I'm pretty sure these are 22-inch replicas of some of the Range Rover Sport wheels. Need some new centre caps, but really nice wheels, really nice. And then they are coupled with, on this one, so my 3.6 has 4-pot Brembo calipers. This one has 6-pot Brembo calipers. Now, they are absolutely huge. I can't even get my hand anywhere near around them. They're massive. Decent tyres. Well, not decent brands, but tidy. Headlight lenses need a bit of a polish up. Front end could do with a bit of a tidy up in general. This one's got side steps, not deployable, just fixed, which is... Ooh. That sounds like a fuel burning heater. Or just a water pump for it. Interesting. Side steps, I'm not sure yet whether I keep them or whether I put the chrome bars on the side. Now the only issue, supposedly, with this car when I bought it, was this rear caliper. So this caliper's sticking, and as a result it's also badly warped disc, so that catches on and it goes thump 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 and makes a bit of vibration when you're driving. So I have got a new caliper on order, new pads, new discs and new brake fluid. Haven't arrived yet because of snow, but I do want to get them all fitted up to hopefully fix the back end, and then I want to do all the usual servicing stuff. So I've got all the gearbox bits on order. It needs a bit of a tidy up on the side. I haven't actually looked properly on the side yet, but no tow bar, so that needs changing. I want to fit a tow bar to this one. Need to clean up just some of this like surfacey rust bits, and then the main thing. Oh, yeah, definitely need to clean up some of the surfacey rust back there. Main thing is this exhaust. I don't like that. That's far too quiet. So that needs fixing. So yeah, that's quite a bit to sort out. So the exhaust is going to be modified on the channel. The brake's going to get fixed. I'm going to go through, tidy the whole car up. We've got the fuel burning heater to fix because it's not been working at all, which in this weather I really want it to work. So that's going to be another video on the channel. Also, we've got the gearbox to service. Suspension's been giving me issues. This front end corner seems to be dropping, and if I put it in raised height, it seems to go into supposedly extended mode, but actually doesn't. It drops the front end down. So something's not right there. I'm going to try to recalibrate it, but yeah. So I'm quite happy so far with the purchase, but there is obviously a lot more issues than thought, which is typical of a Range Rover. And I'm excited to get stuck into this one and make this one better for my 3.6 and build the ultimate cheap Range Rover out of this. So I know there's quite a few Range Rover fans on my channel. If you are stupid like me and you seem to like these things and you enjoy modifying them and fixing them, then why not stick around? Subscribe to the channel, like the video, watch all the previous L322 videos I got on the channel about fixing the seats, upgrading reversing lights, replacing the gearbox on the ZF6 HP. All that's on there, and there'll be plenty more to come with this one. But for now, I've been Jordan. Cheers.